Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to edit an existing opportunity in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Opportunities app, he or she can edit any opportunity displayed on the landing page by two ways. The user can either click the right button and select the edit option, or click the edit button under the actions column. If the actions column is not visible, it can be toggled on using the customize button. Once the edit option is clicked, the user can make the necessary changes. Once the changes have been made, the user need to navigate to the last section of the edit page and click the update opportunity button. The opportunity is now edited and the changes are updated successfully. Thank you for watching.